This lecture will go over some of the options that you have when working with a website building company. So if you'd like to create your own web page, but you'd like the help and professional service of an online web hosting service, there are a lot of options out there and available. This shows you a page off of Jimdo, but there are other ones such as GoDaddy, Weebly, Wix, and Yola, and so forth. So each of these different companies obviously have their uniqueness, but they all kind of work in a similar way. They allow you to be able to create a website using their service, and oftentimes they have very professional level looking templates that you can work from, and so you can develop a very professional looking website using a kind of a graphical user interface and the tutorials that they have available through their website. So you don't have to necessarily know how to code a website, you don't have to know all the details of the hosting. The company takes care of that for you. So in this case, you see some of the pricing options that you have. So first of all, many of these websites have a free option that you can choose. However, there are certainly some limitations in the free one. Some of them will limit you to a certain number of pages, maybe only having 2 or 3, 4 pages maximum. And in many cases, the site is going to be hosted on a subdomain name. So you don't have your own custom web address. So for example, if you wanted a website that had yourbusinessname.com, that's not what you're going to get with the free account. Instead, what you're getting is a subdomain, or what you would create this as yourbusinessname.jimdo.com. So for a personal page, for something very small, this is a good option, even just to get started with it. But if you're actually creating a website and you wanted your own custom domain, you would want to move over to one of the other options, the Pro or the Business. So here you can see the functions, the options in the Pro. So for $7.50 a month, you get your free domain name. You also get an email account, which is nice when you think about it. If you have a business, it's going to be far better that your email account is kenny@yourbusiness.com as compared to kenny@hotmail.com. It just looks much more professional when you have that email account that's tied directly to your domain name. Then you can see you also have ad free, and so on the free plan you're likely going to have some banners or some different ads that come across that page, and with this option here you eliminate those and have some other options in terms of a basic online store and some search engine optimization. And then if you look over at the Pro or the Business account here for $20 a month, you have similar things, but you have a little better, a business email package, so you probably have multiple email addresses that you can create. Once again, it's still ad-free and optimized for smartphones, but then you also have a more complete online store. So if you're wanting to sell a product through this particular website, this is a great option. You can list your products, your customers can go on there. It integrates well with like a PayPal system, so your customers can purchase using PayPal or another credit card option, and the website takes care of all that for you. So several of the other web hosting services or website building companies work in similar ways. Each one has their own uniqueness, but you have options in terms of developing your own website, and these are really great options for you as compared to paying somebody completely to do it for you, which is going to cost you much more. These are great options to create a very professional looking websites at an affordable price.